welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video right now. If you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. So today's video is all about gift wrapping, DIY gift wrappers. I've made them from really scratch, like literally you can call it as scratch, like basic 5 rupees का चार्ट से बनाया है. All of these things are like very basic, and you might be thinking why we need to put a lot of effort. Gift तो दे रहे, and why need to put a lot of effort for gift wrapping, which everyone is going to throw and the next minute they open the gift. So I'm not saying that every time you gift someone you have to do these things, but for the special ones, to make them more special, you can try these, and you're doing with your hands, and effort is put into this, so people will love this. And still, if you think that nahi karna hai bhai, if you're thinking, for you guys also there is a very easy peasy, like it hardly takes 5 minutes. So there are certain kinds of gifts, like irregular shape wala, it's really pain to wrap these things, but for that also I have a solution. So to know all of these things, keep watching. So that was my take on today's video, guys. Hope it was fun watching, hope it was helpful, hope you try these things. And something is around the corner, the V-Day is around the corners. If you want to try these things, you can definitely go, and there is something for the Valentine's Day as well, like the heart ones. So if you try it, please let me know, or if you liked any of these things, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to know more such things, please let me know. Anything, just let me know. So, and last but not least, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and share with your any friends and family who likes such kind of videos, who likes DIY stuff and all. Please share this video with them. So with that, bye bye guys.